All right, hi guys. So let's talk really quickly about cup holders. And the one that I kind of like the best right now. I know there's a lot of them out there, and the really popular one is to get a cup holder that actually sits on top of this. But the thing that I don't like about that is it makes it a lot higher. I have a manual, I have a stick shift, and you know, my arm is right here, resting and shifting, so that cup holder to me is completely useless and a terrible solution. Everyone knows about the free one that you can put right here. I have another video about that, about the free cup holder. But what I found that actually works really good is this thing. Last year, someone in the Fiero group posted this on Facebook, and it's fantastic, and I haven't seen really anybody talk about this yet. This is just some cheap thing that's a universal, but the nice thing is that the guy that you can get it from on Facebook, you know, you could put different decals on here, but it folds up, it's out of the way, and when it folds down, it's awesome. So this has these little clampy guys. It's really kind of just for 12-ounce cans. They kind of work the best, but you can also put some coffee cups in here. I've done that as well. Large coffee cups I'm always putting up here. This is limited in size. You can't put a 44-ounce big gulp in here, of course. Really works great for cans and normal-sized water bottles, cups, that kind of stuff. Things that would fall through this area, because you know, you need something that's wide or has a handle to stop it. A regular can will just completely fall through. Well, here's your solution for that. This works perfect. And it folds up, and it's completely out of the way. How do I have this mounting? Well, the kit comes with screws and some Velcro. I didn't use any of that. Actually, I have stuck it on here with double-sided tape, so I don't have any holes put into my original center console thing here, and I can always remove this at a later time. This is the same exact sticky tape that I use that came with my cell panels, but you can also get the 3M stuff that's at all the automotive stores. That will probably work too. So double-sided sticky tape is all I have holding this thing on here, and it's worked fantastic. So I would highly recommend this. I'll post the link to get a hold of the guy on Facebook. They're like 15 bucks and, you know, $5-7 I think for shipping on them, and I honestly think this is a fantastic solution. He has different colors of these things available as well, and different color stickers, I say. So I'll talk to you guys later. In the meantime, have fun in your Fiero.
In the Fiero, I only got 2 seats. In the Fiero, I only got